In this video, I'll show you how to turn off invoice reminder with Xero. Once you were on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left hand side, you just want to simply click on the second option, which is for sales. Now, under sales, you want to head over to the bottom and click on sales settings. Now, that will take you to the settings page. Now, what you want to do is simply head over to sales and at the bottom, click on invoice settings. Once you are on the invoice settings, in order for you to turn off the invoice reminders, what you want to do is simply head over to the fourth tab or the fourth option at the top and click on invoice reminders. Now, once you click on invoice reminders, it will automatically take you here and you will know that it is set as on or it is turned on is because it has a check mark on the email customers when an invoice is. What you want to do is just simply uncheck the check mark and at the bottom in the right corner, just simply click on save. Once you do that, the settings will automatically save and they will no longer receive a reminder. What you can also do is keep this on, but you will have an option at the very bottom, which is to not send the reminders for amounts that owing an invoice under. So let's say you only want to do this for invoices that have a specific or larger amount. So let's say this is set as $1. We only want to send the invoice to amounts that are owing $20 above. So let's say we want to set this as 20. Now, overdue invoices that are under $20 will not receive this notification. And once you're done, head over to the bottom in the right corner again and click on save. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.